Today I'm checking out this brushless drill that I was sent so I could do the review. Let's go ahead, get it out of the case, and see everything it comes with. So this is the drill that's in the case. Of course, you get the drill, you get a charger, you get a battery, you get an extension that's got a lot of swivel action to it. You get an adapter for bits, which you get right here, and then you got an assortment of drill bits that come with it. Just everything you need to get started. And of course, it comes with a manual and a clip that you can put on if you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this battery charged up and we're gonna test this little drill out. All right, so the battery is fully charged. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the drill. Show a couple things about it. It does have a little LED light here. This is where you'd put the clip if you wanna put the clip on. You could also put like a little lanyard thing here if you want. Also the other side, you could put the clip, either side you want. This is how you take it out. This is how you put it in if you're using screws. I've got the little adapter put in so I can switch through the bits because I'm going to install this board real quick on a little work table I have. It does have low speed and high speed. This is your drill action. This numbers here is how to set your clutch on this, so that way when it gets to that certain torque level to keep you from stripping out screws or wood or whatever it is you're working on. Really nice little drill though, man. It fits in the hand well. It's a nice small drill for a 20-volt battery. I like it. Really nice chuck on it too. Really easy to tighten down. Enough talking about it, let's use it. So I'm gonna run a couple of these wood screws into my workbench here. I'm gonna try it on a 5, which I know is gonna be too light to probably get it through this wood. This is the board that I cut to put here, but we're gonna try and see what a 5 does. All right, so there's the clutch on a 5. Let's go to a 15. $15 was pretty much perfect there. And you'll just kind of have to get, used to the different settings on this, test it out like I did. If you need it to go further in, you just put it to a little bit higher number. If you go with the drill setting here, which does not use the clutch, you could end up pushing that bit in way too far. You could end up stripping out your bit and the head on that screw. So I'm gonna run a couple in here and test this out. I do think this is a great little brushless drill here. Great driver, got good clutch on it. Really lightweight. That's what I really like about this thing. It's small, lightweight, still has a ton of power. So yeah, I really like it. I think you will too. And I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.